Okay, so we're going to put the lamp in now. I've taken off the end cap and got the end which has the 4 pins on it. Okay, so take that out gently, hold it by this part here. Again, try not to get your fingers onto the lamp and leave any marks or residues. Okay, so gently take that out, and what we're going to do is put it inside the quartz sleeve that we've just put into the system. Okay, again, do this nice and gently, nice and slowly to protect the lamp. Okay, so that goes in all the way. I leave it out just a little bit here so that you can then attach the ballast to it. Okay, so that ballast comes through the end cap, the one with the hole in it, and simply slots onto the end of the lamp here. Okay, so that goes on like that. That will then go inside the system like so. You simply screw on the end cap here. Okay, that then covers it and your system is ready to go.